Cracking the shell. The story of fried eggs. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to take a sunny-side-up look into a popular breakfast dish and English phrase, fried eggs. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just hungry to learn more English, stick around as we explore the ins and outs of this simple yet interesting term. Let's crack this open. Fried eggs are a staple in many cultures' breakfast menus. They are made by cracking a whole egg into a frying pan and cooking it to varying degrees of doneness without disturbing the yolk. Depending on your preference, fried eggs can be served with the yolk still runny, which we call sunny side up, or flipped over for a more cooked yolk, known as over easy, over medium, or over hard, depending on the firmness of the yolk. In English-speaking countries, fried eggs are not just a meal, they're a symbol of a hearty start to the day. They are often paired with phrases like, breakfast of champions, or the best way to start your day. This is because eggs are packed with nutrients, and frying is a quick and delicious way to prepare them. But beyond breakfast, fried eggs have seeped into the language, with expressions like, egg on your face, to be embarrassed, and walking on eggshells, to be extremely cautious, showcasing the versatile role eggs play in English idioms. Making a fried egg might seem simple, but it's an art in its own right. Here's a quick guide. 1. Heat the pan. A good non-stick skillet on medium heat works best. 2. Add oil or butter. This prevents sticking and adds flavor. 3. Crack the egg. Do this gently to keep the yolk intact. 4. Cook to your liking. This could be sunny side up or flipped. 5. Season. A pinch of salt and pepper can enhance the taste. Why are we talking about food in an English learning video? Because food is a great way to learn a language. The term fried eggs is simple yet versatile, and understanding its use helps with everyday English. It's a culturally relevant term that can be used to learn about imperatives, commands like fry an egg, adjectives, descriptive words like runny or firm, and prepositions of place like on a pan or over medium heat. I hope this video has given you food for thought and helped crack the meaning of fried eggs in both a culinary and linguistic context. Keep practicing your English and maybe try frying an egg or two yourself. Happy learning, and bon appétit!